Hello, my name is Lily Fleming. I am a junior elementary education major with a special education endorsement. Come along for a day in the life with me at Monmouth College. So I live in Bowers Hall, which is an upperclassman dorm, and my favorite thing about living here is the living room. So it allows me to have an extra space that isn't just my bedroom, where I can hang out with friends, just watch a movie, or do homework. On Wednesdays, I usually have my special education practicum at King Elementary School in Galesburg, but they are currently on spring break, so a normal day would look like me getting there around 8:45 in the morning and leaving at 11:45. So during those 3 hours, I help with students kindergarten through second grade who need extra help and come to the special education classrooms.
Nutrition and foods and water, and that's how they eat and don't die. Um,
Okay, so I'm walking to my lifespan development class in the CSV, and this class is about child development, and it is at 1 o'clock on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I tutor at the Jamison Community Center in Monmouth. This program is for elementary students who need a little extra help in math and literacy. Now I'm working in the Student Affairs office, which is right outside the cafeteria in the Stockdale Center. Here I serve as the recruitment chair, where I focus mainly on Greek life recruitment. And speaking of recruitment, I am part of Kappa Kappa Gamma and serve as the VP membership. And I previously was the chapter president and VP member development. Okay, so for tonight's activity, Elena is dyeing my hair pink. Signing off for the night, the pink showed up a little bit, but not too much because of my dark hair. But I hope you enjoyed my day. I hope you had a great day. Thank you for following along with me for a day in my life at Monmouth College.